I'm Heather, and I will show you how to input data on BridPlot. BridPlot has been designed by students at Bridlington School for students all over the world. Here are the results of an experiment to investigate the relationship between the concentration of hand wash and the number of bacteria it kills. BridPlot helps visualise the results of your experiment. It can run on any Android device. To input your data, select the data edit symbol, a pencil, at the top of the screen. Select Input New Data and then select columns of Y equally spaced in X. We will use X to represent the percentage concentration of the hand wash and Y to represent the number of bacterial colonies. The concentration ranges from 0% to 100% in steps of 25, so therefore the X step is 25 and the initial X value is 0. This means we will not need to enter the X value each time. We are going to enter results for 3 tests, so the number of Y values is 3. The name of X is percentage concentration, the name of Y0 is test 1, Y1 is test 2, and Y2 is test 3. The Y-axis caption is number of bacterial colonies, and the graph title is bacterial control. We can choose the name you want. They are displayed on the graph, so choose meaningful ones. Now for the data. Select Input Numeric Data. BridPlot has already filled in the first value of mass as 0. All you have to do is enter the corresponding values for the number of bacterial colonies for each of the 3 tests. Select Add Line. When you have done so, BridPlot updates the X value to 25. Enter the values for the test at 25% concentration, and Add Line, and the next values. The values added are displayed at the bottom of the screen. When you have entered all your data, select Save and Exit. Choose the name of your data file. I will call the files Bacterial Growth. Now we are back at the main menu. Select Scattergram to see that the data looks okay. But don't worry, BridPlot lets you edit your data if you have made any mistakes, which I will show you in your next video. The axes are automatically scaled to fit the data. The title, axes and key are labelled with the names I entered. BridPlot can help you investigate further. For example, you can plot the mean values for the experiments. Select the settings icon at the top of the screen. This will not be available if you only have BridPlot Starter. Set the mean radio button and then OK. The mean values are calculated and then plotted. Let's see what happens if you fit a straight line to the data. Select the settings icon at the top of the screen again, and this time select Linear Regression, then OK. BridPlot displays the equation of the line in the key box. That is not a very convincing fit. It looks as though the effect of increasing the concentration trails off. 5 test values are not enough to make any conclusions, but have a look at fitting a quadratic function to the data. It looks as though there is a non-linear relationship between the effect of increasing the concentration and the number of colonies affected. This gives us the opportunity to think about further experiments we could carry out. For example, we could vary the temperature of a liquid or distinguish between different types of bacteria. A level, here we come.